Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill some green buckets. Ivory, what do you want? I'll close this. She'll bust up in here when she hears me pour the green. So this bucket here is just straight green. We don't mix nothing in it like we do in the other containers. Let's get this ish poured. Alright. Oh, just so y'all know, I gotta walk over here and grab the green and then come in here. So it'll take me a second coming in and out with the green. And just cattle cubes. We just gonna do it all. Do it all. So I used to throw these things over my shoulders. Then my living mom was like, "You're gonna hurt yourself doing that." So now we carry them in the front with both arms. Alright. Some one. Bucket of this. I'm gonna set it to the side. Okay, because that's going to be used to distract the pigs while I fix pig pen. Or pig water, sorry. So I love the pigs like to jump in the feed trough to cool down, or the water trough, sorry, to cool down. And when they do that, they get the ground real muddy right there. So then the water trough starts sliding all over the place, and now they're not sitting right. So I've got to go level out the dirt so they'll sit level. That'll be done after. So there's one bucket. That's 3 bags. Now let me go get some cow cubes. And now it's going to be right in front of y'all so let's see this. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let me move this out of the way. Bag of cow cubes right now, which is what I'm pouring. So I'm only gonna get that other bag in and top this off, which is all we should need to fill it up anyways. Just wait until you see how I fold them things up. We have 3 containers over here that we mix pre-con. It's a salt and garlic mixture and some feed into. We got 2 buckets full of those. And since one of them is just about empty and the other one's not, I'm just gonna pour the rest of this and this one, and then we'll fill this one up with the ingredient mixture. So let's do that. First one, and now let me put y'all where y'all can see me pour and mix this. Makes this grain bucket different. As I was saying, it's going to be 1 bag and then, hold on. We got the pre-con cattle starter because these 2 buckets are for our cows that are under 2. And we have Scottish Highland cows here. Not the minis, the actual like big one. And we do about 1/3. I eyeball it out of the bag. And here. Why is it so hard? Oh, I'm like, what is it doing? It's just making it look like cool. There's a little winkling. We get this garlic salt mixture. Drink about 1/2 of a scoop in it. And then we're going to pop this battery onto our mixer. Mixer-reel. But you don't want to hold it right here because it'll take your hand off. You don't want to hold it right here because it'll take your hand off. Right here. And it's got some power to it, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get it mixed real good before adding the layers. There, we could grab another bag of green. Alright. So if we're doing a 3rd bag at a time, it's obviously going to be 3 bags of this. So a whole bag of pre-con. I say obviously that some people aren't good with math, which is fine. And then your rice on here. Alright, now about 1/2 a scoop. And then the fun part, we're doing this one. Now this is where it gets a little tricky too, because the top, when you mix it, it likes to fly everywhere. So what we're going to do, waste it. Oh, waste it. Alright. See how it goes all the way to the top? Just trying to get it to not fly everywhere. And you think it's very good. Trying to keep it right under the surface so it doesn't fly everywhere. Alright. Now we are done. Yeah. We're done doing feed buckets now. Feed buckets are full. Now let's just collapse these feed bags down as neatly as possible. So I like to get them all nice and flat. Nice and flat. And I'll pop them into another feed bag. Weight on it, flatten down, and it just slides in. Now, I do have a couple throw in it. That's it, boys and gals. That was fun. Now let me go out there and fix this pig water.